Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2020 for you, friends. This is the exercise number 47. We will learn the use of sketch, smart dimension, circle command, line command, trim command, and boss extrude command from this SolidWorks 2020 free exercise video. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular exercise. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch.
Now take the line command.
Control select these two lines and make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 30 millimeters. Height is 20 millimeters. Height is 20 millimeters. Distance is 70 millimeters. Control select these two lines and make equal. Control select these two lines and make equal.
The sketch is fully defined.
Depth is 10 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command. Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Select these lines and choose Convert Entities.
Now take the line command.
Height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left click on right plane and select sketch.
Now take circle command.
Height is 30 millimeters. Radius is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters.
Now take the line command.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Make them tangent.
Now take trim entities command. Now take the line command. Now take circle command.
Diameter is 10 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Select Offset. Offset distance is 50 divided by 2 equals to 25 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters. Make them visible again.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Width is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hide the sketch. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.